Virginia right now. We had an oak tree fell in the backyard. No access to get it out with any other machine, so we brought in a crane. So right now what we're doing is the operator is setting up his outriggers and laying out his platform. So we got the first one out of the way. It weighed in about 2,500 pounds, and our operator set it on the front side of the house, and the guys are working it up to get it through the brush chipper now. We're gonna choke our next pick here, and our cut point's about 18 inches. From there, I'm looking at this to weigh about 1,400 pounds. I'm gonna go ahead and sit my choker, and then I'm gonna drop this log off of here. Yeah, you're gonna have to keep your boom there, so we gotta cable up for a minute so it don't swing and shockwave.